I'm going to talk about punishments that are available at the court-martial. The legislation is section 164 of the Armed Forces Act 2006. So these punishments are only available, of course, in the event either that an individual has pleaded guilty or in the event that they have had a trial and have been found guilty by a board. There are 12 punishments in total. Number 1 is imprisonment. And note that imprisonment is different from detention. Imprisonment is a sentence to imprisonment within the regular civilian prison. So it's not to MCTC. Imprisonment is to the regular civilian prison, and typically what will happen is an individual who has been found guilty or has pleaded guilty at court-martial, in the event that they are sentenced to a sentence of imprisonment, usually they will be taken in the first instance to MCTC and then they will be transferred from MCTC to a regular prison. Number 2 is dismissal with disgrace from Her Majesty's service. Number 3 is similar. Number 3 is dismissal from Her Majesty's service, but note that it is not with disgrace. Number 4 is detention for a term not exceeding 2 years. Now note that that is not imprisonment, it is detention, and it is detention at MCTC in Colchester. So the maximum sentence, the maximum punishment that a court-martial can award under section 164 for detention is up to 2 years. Anything more than 2 years has to be imprisonment within the regular civilian prison. Number 5 is forfeiture of a specified term of seniority or of all seniority. And number 5 is only available if the individual being sentenced is an officer. Number 6 is reduction in rank or disrating. And number 6 is only available if the person being sentenced is a warrant officer or non-commissioned officer and not to an extent prohibited by regulations. Number 7 is a fine. Number 8 is a service community order, but it can only be imposed if the person being sentenced is on the same occasion sentenced to dismissal or to dismissal with disgrace, and section 5 permits. Number 9 is a severe reprimand or a reprimand. Number 9 is only available if the person being sentenced is an officer, warrant officer or non-commissioned officer. Number 10 is a service supervision and punishment order. Number 10 is only available if the person being sentenced is an able rate, a marine, a soldier or an airman. Number 11 is such minor punishments as may from time to time be authorised by regulations made by the Defence Council. And number 12 is a service compensation order. So under section 164 of the Armed Forces Act 2006, those 12 examples are the only sentences that are available to the court-martial.